Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 115 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're doing much the same as we did last time, but on the other side. After looking at The Great Escape, we have Calamity Jan. Don't know. I've got no idea who that is. Something about tanks and cowboys, by the looks of it. I don't know. It's from February the 1st, 1968. It's the one where Batman, Robin, and Batgirl are subject to fear gas. Terrible. Batman of England. English Batman. Knight and Squire. British equivalent of the dynamic duo. Okay. I don't know. They don't look anything like Batman and Robin. That's very, very strange. The world's best comics. Okay, there we go. That's what we have there. The world's finest. Yeah, Superman and Batman. Yeah. Right, so this is what we've got. This is much the same. When the top and bottom parts of the model join together, left and right exhaust pipes and muffler bottoms will need to be disassembled before being refitted later on. Why are we putting them together now if we're only going to have to take them apart in 5 minutes? Anyway, we'll get that done. Put that on there. It's only a single screw, isn't it? And pushing it back in. So we'll get that done, and then we'll be ready for the next issue. So see you in a sec.